Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's DEX here. Today I'll be doing a battle of edits with ROGSPECTOR. ROGSPECTOR is also a mobile editor like me. I have assigned real life characters into my edit and you guys can comment down who wins the battle. Let the battle begin.
The video of Andrew Garfield's disrespecting the Batman is blowing up on the internet.
Is Batman better than Spider-Man? No. Unequivocally, fucking no.
Batman is trying to hunt down Spider-Man.
I found you, Peter.
Someone please help!
William Butcher. You are behind this. William, we made a deal to fight to the death. You and me. This is cheating. Deal's off. Superman. You were my hero growing up.
I hope you guys liked the video and comment down whom should I battle next.